C3, transforming graphs of functions. Example 12. Sketch the graph of y equals 2 over x plus 5. In this situation, we can begin with the 1 over x graph and then apply two transformations to this. First of all, we can multiply it by 2, and then we get 2 lots of 1 over x, which is the same as 2 over x. Now think about what transformation you're expecting to take place there. And then once we've got 2 over x, we can then transform to 2 over x plus 5. Again, think about which transformation you're expecting to see from this plus 5 next to the x. So let's begin with 1 over x graph. And here it is. It's got two asymptotes, one on the x-axis, one on the y-axis. Here's the equation of the graph at the moment, 1 over x. What I'm going to do first is the stretch, which will come from this 2. So you should be expecting to see a stretch in the y direction, scale factor 2. As I increase my value of a, this number here will also increase, and we observe a stretch away from the x-axis. Keep your eye on a couple of points. This one here, y is 1. When we stretch, it will end up where y is 2. Let's look at another one. So here, y is minus a half. When we stretch it, it ends up at minus 1. So the x values are staying the same there, but the y values are doubling. And then we have the graph of 2 over x. So we've got 2 over x. Now we're going to turn it into 2 over x plus 5. Think about what you're expecting to see. As I increase b, the denominator will change to x plus the value of b. So let's see what happens. As I increase b, this graph moves to the left. We call that a translation, 5 units to the left. You notice the horizontal asymptote didn't move. However, the vertical one has moved. When the graph moved to the left, of course the asymptote went with it. So this is what we end up with, the graph of 2 over x plus 5.